Welcome to Auto Max, your ultimate destination for car reviews, and before we dive into today's exciting review, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now, let's talk about a car that has been a global favorite for decades, the Toyota Corolla. But this time, it's the future-ready 2026 model, and trust me, it's packed with surprises that will keep you hooked till the end. First things first, let's talk about the exterior design because Toyota has taken a bold step forward with this model. The 2026 Corolla looks more aggressive and sporty than ever before. The front fascia is dominated by a sleeker grille and sharper LED headlights that give it a futuristic vibe. The aerodynamic lines on the hood and sides are not just for style, they improve efficiency and handling at high speeds. At the rear, you'll notice sleek LED tail lamps, a redesigned bumper, and an overall wider stance that makes it look muscular yet refined. Alloy wheels with a glossy finish add that extra touch of elegance, making the Corolla 2026 a head-turner on any road. Now, step inside and you'll feel like you've entered a mini luxury sedan. Toyota has put a lot of focus on comfort and tech in the 2026 model. The cabin features premium soft-touch materials, a completely redesigned dashboard, and an intuitive 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving drivers a modern experience. Ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and ventilated seats add to the premium feel. Rear passengers also get extra legroom thanks to a slightly extended wheelbase, making those long drives much more comfortable. But what about performance? The 2026 Corolla is available with multiple engine options, including a 2.0-liter hybrid engine that delivers an impressive blend of power and fuel efficiency. With around 196 horsepower, this car offers smooth acceleration while maintaining exceptional fuel economy, perfect for both city drives and highway cruising. Toyota's CVT transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, and the improved suspension system makes the ride quality better than ever. For those who crave a little more thrill, Toyota is also offering a sport-tuned variant with adaptive handling, giving you that extra confidence on sharp turns. Safety has always been Toyota's strong point, and the Corolla 2026 is no exception. It comes loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These advanced features not only make driving safer but also more stress-free, especially on long trips. Now, let's talk price because this is where Toyota wins big. The base model of the 2026 Corolla starts at around $24,000, while the fully loaded hybrid variant can go up to $33,000. For the level of comfort, technology, safety, and reliability you're getting, that's an incredible value for money. So, is the Toyota Corolla 2026 worth buying? Absolutely. It's stylish, tech-packed, fuel-efficient, and backed by Toyota's legendary reliability. If you're looking for a sedan that checks all the boxes without breaking the bank, this car should definitely be on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest car trends, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy the Corolla 2026 or go for something else? This is Auto Max, and I'll see you in the next review.